Hi, this is Ms. Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and I wanted to show you our Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. This is the Gumball machine we got in our classroom. So it's pretty cool. We are going to keep track of our sales, and then we're going to use the profits to buy classroom resources, just extra stuff we need like pens, paper, some certificate paper, more posters, items for our PBIS store that we do. It could be like lanyards, Cricut machines, the Easy Weed paper, sweatshirts, t-shirts, headbands, you name it, just about everything. So a lot of the extra stuff that we have. So we have our Gumball machine spreadsheet. So here's our weekly sales. I put a picture of, this is similar to what our machine looks like in the classroom. We currently have Gumballs, Runts, and we ran out of Skittles. So if you take a look, these are estimated costs, not exact figures, and then some we get like the 5-pound bulk bag, and we buy everything on Amazon and in the Skittles. So it comes like 3 pounds or 5 pounds. Mike and Ike, that went quick because some of the lessons we learned when we got the Gumball machine, it was fully assembled. And then when things got jammed, I kind of learned how to unjam it. It does jam frequently, especially when students put in pennies. So it's kind of a headache. But I think if you keep it jammed for a couple of days, they realize, hey, look, Mr. Dork's not going to fix it. So let me not put a penny in it and get it jammed, or else we can't buy any candy. So for the most part, I would say we're on week 3. It hasn't gotten jammed this past week. So far, so good. We lost money because when we got the machine, there's a way where you can adjust the wheel and it sets how much candy is dispensed. So I will be honest with you, I just left it and was kind of lazy and just kind of didn't know what I was doing. It was my first time ever operating or even having a Gumball machine. So the amount that they got for a quarter of Skittles was pretty much like a pack of Skittles. So our Skittles went quick. So this $40 was like a waste. I think we lost money. We're going to keep track. We'll see, because we have a ton of gumballs left, and students like that. It's still selling. I think last week we only had the gumballs working and we made like $12. Runts were not as tasty. They really didn't like that. So these are just some of the lessons learned. We'll probably focus on the Mike and Ike. I should probably highlight that. Gumballs and Skittles. All right, so far the total cost, $409. Here's our profit. So the profit would be the total cost minus our weekly sales. So you see we're negative. We're still kind of paying off this machine. And here we have our sales. So every week I'm going to plug in how much money in quarters we have, and then it will give us the running profit. How long do you think it would take for us to see a profit? You can kind of give a guess, maybe this winter, in December, January. And then would you ever consider opening up a vending machine business? So some students, when I gain their trust and when they are comfortable and when I know who they are, I will assign 1 or 2 responsible students to open up the machine, count the quarters, and then everyone gets to see the spreadsheet and we update it. So this, we use an integrated office apps and an entrepreneurship. So both classes. It's a fun way of kind of combining everything we learned on testout into something practical. So I'm going to share this spreadsheet. If you like this kind of style, feel free to download it, take it. It will be posted on our class website, thecoolclassroom.com, under lesson plans. There's a way for my students to log in. So you log in, the code is Nike. You can access all plans, all files, and I will include this one as well for you. All right, so hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoy and edit. Feel free to take this spreadsheet with you, and we will make more spreadsheets for you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.